All right, here we are. We are looking at the ES, obviously after the US market at 7:47 p.m. on November 25th. So, recapping the day, obviously in the after hours we had another good spike, but if you look in the last video, we did have an entry overnight at 16.75 and rode it all the way up at the open. We were up about 7 points, I believe, right around there. But as you'll remember, I did leave the target at 32 because that was still left untouched here. So if you did leave your target, you hit it at 32. Otherwise, 7 points is nothing to be ashamed of, especially when you're doing nothing but sleeping to earn that. So. But it was a good day. We had our profit hit. We had a little bit of movement in the aftermarket, but I'd be surprised if we went much further tomorrow. There's a lot of selling pressure up here. It's thin air up here, not too much buying support left. So we'll look for another play tonight, but it was a good play that we did in our sleep and into the day. If you held it, which isn't hard to do because we have our bracket orders in place. And people have full-time jobs, they have family obligations, people to take care of, whatever the reason may be. They can't sit in front of their computer all day, so you let the market do the work for you. So on one contract on the ES, you're looking around 15 points that we captured. So 750 if you had just one contract on the ES. If you had more than that, obviously in multiples. But of course, with the micro ES contracts now, you can definitely mitigate your risk even more. It trades at a tenth of what the regular ES trades at. So if your size of account doesn't permit, or again, if you just want to mitigate risk, you don't want to have that big a swing, that's definitely a different option for you. But most people will trade at least one contract in the ES, which is 750 a pop. If you had two, that's 1500. Not a bad day's work, especially if you're sleeping and making money, and also just leaving the bracket orders in and just letting them fill by themselves, letting the market do the work. So we'll look for another one tonight, but good trading today.